Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice problem as we have given R into M into O is equal to 240. R into O plus M is equal to 46. R plus M into O is equal to 64. Right? If we see this is equation first, second and third. Right? Condition is given R, M and O represents whole number. Right, so we have to find out value of R plus M plus O. Okay, so let's start. If we take equation R into O plus M is equal to 46, equation second, right? If we multiply this equation both the sides by M, so R into O plus M multiplied by M is equal to 46M. Fine. So R into O into M plus M square is equal to 46M. Right? So, in place of R into O into M, we can write 240, right? Because R into M into O equal to this, right? So, plus M square is equal to 46M, right? If we rearrange the equation, M square minus 46M plus 240 is equal to 0. Fine. So M square, we can break this as minus 40M minus 6M plus 240 is equal to 0, right? So M as common, so M minus 40 minus here 6 as common, M minus 40 is equal to 0, right? Now we have factors are as M minus 40, M minus 6 is equal to 0, right? So we can safely say that M is equal to 40 and M is equal to 6. Right? Now if we take equation third, R plus M into O is equal to 64, equation third, right? If we multiply whole equation by R, so R plus M into O multiplied by R is equal to 64R, right? So R square plus R into M into O is equal to 64R, right? So R square minus 64 and R into M into O is equal to 0, right? So R square minus 64, I am sorry, here 64R, right? So 64R plus R into M into O is equal to 240 from equation first. As we have equation first, R into M into O is equal to 240 equation first, right? So in next step, R square and this can be bracket minus 60R minus 4R plus 240 is equal to 0, right? If we take R as common, so R minus 60 minus here 4 as common, R minus 60 is equal to 0, or R minus 60 R minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So we have find R is equal to 60 and other value of R will be R is equal to 4, right? If we take equation third, R plus M into O is equal to 64, equation number third, right? Here if we put R is equal to 60, this value, right? So 60 plus M into O is equal to 64, right? So M into O is equal to this and this 4, right? As M is equal to 40 and M is equal to 6, right? So it is impossible. So it is impossible. Right? So we will not accept this, right? Now if we take other value of R as 4, right? In equation third, if we put R is equal to 4, right? Plus M into O is equal to 64, right? So M into O is equal to 60, right? Again, if M is equal to 40, right? If we put M is equal to 40, so O will be equal to 60 over 40 is equal to 1.5. I am sorry. If M is equal to 40, so O will be 60 over 40 is equal to 1.5. Not whole number. This is not whole number, right? So we will not accept this value, right? Now if we take M is equal to 6, so O will be equal to 60 over 6, right, is equal to 10. Here we will accept this value, right? Now we can safely say that R is equal to 4, M is equal to 6, O is equal to 10, right? these are whole numbers and acceptable values. These numbers satisfy our equations. Okay, so R plus M plus O is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 20, right? This is our required result. Okay friends, thank you.